Hello, welcome back to another Ethereum update. Today we are gonna talk about some short and long-term analysis, so please make sure to stay till the end of the video so you'll understand everything. Let's start. First of all, I want to say that I think Ethereum is very bearish for the short period of time, and I expect us to go to $1,000. Today's video I'm gonna explain why. First of all, let's start with the bigger picture. Since we bottomed in June around $900, we made this ascending triangle, which was a bullish pattern that was supposed to break to the upside. Most of the time this triangle is breaking to the upside, but it didn't. And right here, couple of weeks back, I started to get bearish. Right after that, we made another bearish move by getting to this support line, and we didn't hold it. Ethereum actually broke to the downside and made a first lower low for this trend. We actually formed an M pattern, which is a bearish pattern. And since we broke the neck, I started to get very bearish on Ethereum. The target for this M pattern is around $1,000, but I think we have another move that will help us get there. I want to say that this week was also bearish for Ethereum. We got rejected from the 21-day EMA. We didn't even try to break above it. We just had a little wick, and then we started to go to the downside, and we actually formed another bearish pattern, this bear flag, which is a bearish continuation pattern that should continue the bear trend, and its target is more bearish than the M pattern target. The M pattern target is around $1,000 and the bear flag target is around $950. So we have two bearish targets I expect us to meet. First of all, we are gonna look at the $1,000 target and then maybe decide if we can even push lower to $950. Let's talk about the weekly chart, which tells us a similar story, and it just solidifies my point that we can get really bearish in the short term. First of all, we had these two rejections from the 21-week EMA. Almost every time we get a rejection from the 21-week EMA, we go and retest our last lows. That's why I think we could go to $1,000. Even on the weekly chart it looks like it. And we also have this huge falling wedge, which right now is forming. So we can go to the lower resistance and maybe find support there, and if we find support there we might go upside and fight again the 21-week EMA to see if we can go above it and hold it. Of course, once we go above it, the sentiment of the market usually changes and we should get bullish, but all of this will take time. We shouldn't expect any breakout until at least the middle of 2023, and I have some more evidence to show you, so stay until the end of the video so you'll understand it. But I want to tell you that all of this will take time, so we have time to plan our moves and get into positions to be successful on the long and the short term. I want to also talk with you about the Ethereum Bitcoin chart, which is a much important chart, because if we want to invest in Ethereum, we want it to do better than Bitcoin, which is the biggest cryptocurrency, and if we take a bigger risk, we want a bigger reward. That's why we should keep track on the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. This is the weekly Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and for 3 years we were really bullish. We started this bullish trend and we have many touch points of this support area, and right now, couple of months back, we had another support on this trend. Once we held it, we actually pushed to the upside, but last year we actually found some resistance, and we also had many touch points for this resistance, as you can see. And just a couple of weeks back, after this huge move to the upside, we found resistance in the same area. So that's why I believe Ethereum is bearish even against Bitcoin in the short term. In my bullish scenario, we should go and hold this support. Once we do it, we will probably look very good for another push to the upside, and once we squeezed here, we have this pattern to end by the middle of 2023, and we could have a nice breakout from this area. And once we do it, I believe all the crypto space will benefit and have a huge push to the upside, because Ethereum is one of the bigger altcoins. But of course, all of this will take time, so you should keep yourself updated. I'm going to keep pushing you this content. We prepare for the worst, but believe in the best. So please leave a like if you enjoyed this content, subscribe if you didn't subscribe already, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.